This vitamin supports healthy leg circulation. If you're over 60 and your feet are constantly cold, your legs feel heavy, you experience tingling, nighttime cramps, or you've started noticing more visible veins, don't automatically blame it on aging. Sometimes your legs are telling you something about your vascular health. And while no vitamin can magically unclog a vein, certain nutrients are essential for normal blood vessels, blood clotting, antioxidant protection, and cardiovascular function. Today, I'll show you 3 vitamins that deserve attention after 60, the foods that provide them, and 4 simple habits that can support healthier legs. But first, know these warning signs. Number 1, persistent tingling or numbness. Number 2, unusually cold feet. Number 3, leg pain when walking. Number 4, eye skin or wound changes. Number 5, painful swelling or changing varicose veins. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Let's start. Number 1, vitamin B3, niacin. The first vitamin is B3, also called niacin. Niacin is essential for energy metabolism and normal cellular function. It also plays a role in how your body processes fats. Natural food sources include eggs, chicken, salmon and other fish, peanuts, and other protein-rich foods. But here's something important. You may hear claims that taking large doses of niacin will dramatically improve circulation or clean your arteries. Don't experiment with high-dose niacin on your own. Large supplemental doses can cause flushing and may cause serious side effects involving the liver, blood sugar, and other systems. For most people, the better approach is to get B3 through a balanced diet unless a healthcare professional recommends otherwise. Number 2, vitamin K, the blood clotting vitamin. Vitamin K is best known for its essential role in normal blood clotting. It's also involved in proteins related to bone and vascular health. Excellent food sources include spinach, kale, broccoli, collard greens, and other leafy vegetables. And there's an important warning for people taking warfarin. Suddenly changing your intake of vitamin K-rich foods can affect warfarin management. So don't eliminate leafy greens unnecessarily, but keep your intake consistent and follow your doctor's instructions. Number 3, vitamin E, the antioxidant. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. You can get it naturally from almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, and plant-based oils. But here's the important part, more isn't always better. High-dose vitamin E supplements can increase bleeding risk in certain situations, particularly when combined with medications that affect blood clotting. So once again, think food first. A handful of nuts, seeds, avocado, and a balanced diet can provide valuable nutrients without assuming that megadose supplements are necessary. The Morning Green Blend. Here's a simple way to add more nutrient-rich plant foods to your day. Try this morning green blend: a handful of spinach, a few pieces of celery, 1 kiwi or a small green apple, a little fresh ginger, a few mint leaves, and a small pinch of cinnamon. Blend with water and drink with your breakfast or as part of your morning routine. Now, these 4 habits may be even more important than any individual vitamin. First, walk regularly. For many people, around 20 to 25 minutes of walking most days is a reasonable goal, adjusted to your fitness level and medical advice. Second, break up long periods of sitting. Try taking a movement break approximately every 45 minutes when practical. Third, change position regularly. Avoid staying in one position for prolonged periods. Fourth, elevate your legs when comfortable. If your legs feel tired or heavy after a long day, try resting with your legs elevated for about 10 minutes. If you have persistent cold feet, numbness, recurring leg pain when walking, significant swelling, skin discoloration, or slow healing wounds, talk with your healthcare professional. If this video helped you, subscribe to HealthEclipse for more evidence-based health information for adults over 60.